Everyone, welcome to the behind the scenes of how we made sound effects for The Quiet Place.
For typing.
You darn right.
Not really typing.
Good job. This is actually rehearsing his dinosaur sounds right now. We're gonna record it.
Baby dinosaur.
This is a parody on how they made sound effects in A Quiet Place. Here we go. Okay, we're on. Okay.
And then
you guys are like, yes. You guys are like.
Heading outside to record an explosion.
We are outside already.
Outside to yeah.
Sharks don't growl, man. And then you finish.
Okay.
Then you counteract with that.
Did I spell that correctly?
Quiet, and there's quiet, and then there's quit.
That makes sense. You're like quiet.
Everything just gets so confusing.
And quit is Q-U-I-T.
Q-U-T-I-E. Q-U-I-T, yeah. Okay.
E.
So we make more sound and then you tell us to do with more emotion.
Yeah.
And then it's me
Or
saying
emotion. I'm not getting the vibe. The vibe, people. You just send the scripts.
I'm confused.
In the movie.
we're finding a nail to put through a board and the nail's seen in A Quiet Place.
Whoa! Spoiler alert.
Blood.
You have to tell them before.
Violence. Let's go Pete.
I'm just gonna go look now. He wants us to film his new
right.
Transformers.
I'm on the phone. Or Michael Bay's on the phone. Who wants us to sound his new Transformers movie? Smack, smack, punch in the gut. We are professional Hollywood sound guys.
He has to punch me in the gut. Okay, this is actually starting to sting just a little.
Yeah, like,